Hi everyone, today we are going to do some word play like we do in the mornings in my class where we get out our sentence frames and write a sentence on the board using our frames. So I'm excited you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so our sentence today is going to be Pedro has a new bike. So let's take a minute and clap the words in our sentence while I draw the lines for each word. Ready? Here we go. Pedro has a new bike. All right, so now let's count how many dashes we made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I need 5 frames for my sentence. All right, so I have out my frames now. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have this little one for my punctuation. So let me put them in order. Pedro has a, I think I can fit that there. Let me move these over a little bit. Pedro has a new, and then I'm going to put this one down here because I ran out of room. So I'm going to come back down to the beginning and I'm going to move my punctuation over. So you can see that I remembered that this frame goes first because it reminds me to put a capital letter at the beginning. Then this is my last frame because I put the punctuation there. All right, so let's take a minute and think about what my sentence was. The first word in my sentence was Pedro. So let me write that. Pedro. Now what's the next word in my sentence? Pedro has, let me write has. All right, I always like to go back. Pedro has a or a. All right, let's read what we have so far. Pedro has a new. Pedro has a new bike. Now, boys and girls, if we were going to sound this one out, I would do this. B, oops, where am I writing? I, sometimes those vowels say their name. I, k. So those are the sounds that I heard. I, k. And I know that there's an E on the end, so I'm going to put an E there. All right, so, and I remembered my punctuation. So let's read our sentence. Pedro has a new bike. I can see that I started with a capital letter and I ended with my punctuation. I love, love, love how hard you're working. Keep up the good work.